Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, City Raja, back on your screens once again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my glosses. Specifically today I'm going to be using Hibiscus. The last time I used Amla, today we're going to use Hibiscus. You're going to need your favorite deep conditioner, a plastic bowl, a spoon, plastic spoon. I know I used the metal one, forgive me, just for this video. And then, scoop some of your conditioner in your plastic bowl, use half a spoon of the Hibiscus, mix that up thoroughly, and you are good to go. I use the Afro Botanics overnight treatment because I absolutely love this. You guys know that I am a ride or die for this product. So once everything is thoroughly mixed, you can definitely leave this overnight, and I suggest that you do, but I didn't have time, so I went ahead and started to apply it on my hair. One thing you guys should know is that I'm starting on freshly washed hair. So my hair has been pre-pooed, my hair has been shampooed, and now I am doing my mask. After this, I am going to be deep conditioning again because that's the right thing to do. So the one thing I like about Hibiscus is that it strengthens your hair from the roots, okay? So if you have scalp issues, this won't irritate your scalp. You can directly apply it to your scalp, because it will protect your scalp from external damage. Also, make sure that you're applying the product in between your hair. I know some of us tend to kind of forget, to get in between the hair, and we focus on just the outer layers. Don't do that. Make sure that you're getting in right in there, And then obviously, you guys know that I have been using Hibiscus for the longest of time. I've been using it as a hair mist, so I've been leaving in my hair, and now I am conditioning my hair. So Hibiscus is amazing at deep conditioning your hair. So imagine buying a deep conditioner and adding another deep conditioner that is natural, that is God-given, that just does amazing things to your hair, and you just slap all of that onto your hair. Your hair's gonna thank you like 10 times fold, I tell you. I like how my hair is like clamping up from the conditioner, and you guys can tell that my curls are popping. And as always, please put on your hooded dryer. It's winter time. Don't skip this part. I beg of you, please don't skip heat. You guys know that heat is the girl that she thinks she is. It's the one thing that actually ensures that you're going to be getting your money's worth, from your deep conditioner. Vitamin C is also high in Hibiscus is high in vitamin C, which will help to increase collagen production in your hair. So that's also good. So I would suggest you guys, if you are scared of getting into Ayurveda, then start with a very gentle powder or herb, which is hibiscus. So you guys must let me know if you're going to be trying this in the comment section. I miss you guys so much, and yeah. Whew. Okay guys, so with the hibiscus, right, I enjoyed it. It was very nice. My hair felt super soft. I have nothing to thank but this product over here. You guys know this is like my ride or die. I cannot live without it. It's my favorite deep conditioner, my favorite treatment, whatever it is you want to call it. It's my favorite. I love it, especially when I feel like my hair needs intense moisture. So I just come out of the shower, because I'm sure you guys saw I was rinsing my hair in the bathtub, but it didn't work, so I had to hop in the shower and thoroughly rinse my hair, because the granules, there was still like a bit of the hibiscus granules. So I think two things, right? So first, if I had left it overnight, maybe they were going to be able to melt in the conditioner, or I could have used like a cheesecloth to kind of like squeeze it out, or blend it. But I feel like, I don't know, maybe I should have blended it or something, I don't know, but I need to figure out a way. Because my thing is, when I did the Almer gloss, it didn't do that. It didn't behave this way. So I didn't, as a matter of fact, the Amla powder is very soft and it melts into your hair, so it's not like a very harsh powder that has like granules, right? So I struggled a lot to remove them. I spent quite some time in the shower rinsing it out, but now I'd like to believe that my hair is super clean and I love how it feels. So you guys must let me know, comment down below if you would try this. If you have tried the Amla one, let me know. If not, I know I have people in the comment section that are just lovers of the hibiscus. if I look dry and patchy, just forgive me guys. Come from the shower, like I was in there for like probably like 15 minutes just rinsing my hair. What a bill. No, I've learned my lesson. Next time I'm going to, I don't know, I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to come back with you guys with a solution somehow. And yeah, but that's that. I thoroughly enjoyed the gloss. I know it's been a while since I've created like Ayurvedic content, so that's back, just so you guys know. And we are approaching winter, so I think this is a great time if you want to switch things up a bit and not just deep condition alone. So you can just add a scoop of whatever it is. I mean, I don't know, I did go ahead actually later on and added more deep conditioner to what I already had. I must actually invest in pH strips so I can see the pH of what are the things that I'm mixing here, so that I can give you guys accurate measurements. But that's like future things. But for now, just winging it works for me. My hair feels super soft, so it didn't, I guess my measurements were not as bad, if that makes any sense, you know. And yeah, so that's those are my final thoughts. You guys know how I feel about Ayurveda. I will always love it. And hibiscus is one of my favorite dried herbs. This one was in a powder form. You can buy it in like flower form, dried flower form, or like a powder form. So I got the powder one for all my glosses and my hair stuff and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you're gonna try it, and also tell me what is your ride or die deep conditioner. What's that one deep conditioner that, I mean, I know for me it'll always be this Afro Botanics one, the overnight moisturizing strengthening treatment. I love this. I can't live with that, and it's quite affordable. How much is this? Hold on, let me check for you guys. Let me check. This cost 77 rand. You see, I love it, and it's affordable, and you can use it as is. If you do a twist out after you deep condition with this, oh, thank me later, your curls are gonna pop. So those are my thoughts, and this is where I'm gonna end it. You know, I'm gonna love and leave you guys here. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.